Hello students. So today I am going to explain you how to convert unlike decimals into the like decimals. So before going for the main concept, I would like to tell you why we need to convert unlike decimals into the like decimals. Whenever you are adding or subtracting the decimals, you need to have the like decimals. Like decimals and like decimals only can be added, or like decimals only can be subtracted. So whenever you have unlike decimals, you need to convert them into the like decimals. So the method is very easy. Let us take here. So you can see here I have taken the 4 decimals: 17.18, 0.3, 4.75 and 90.0. You can see here like decimals means what? The decimals with the same number of decimal places. So here you can see we have the 2 decimal places after the point. Here we have 1, here we have 2 and here we have only 1. You have to convert into the same number of decimal places. So here the highest place we cannot change here. We cannot cancel this 5 here. We cannot cancel 8 from here. So what we'll do? The highest place is what here? 2, isn't it? So these both will keep as it is, and the 0.3 and 90.0 will convert into the decimal of 2 decimal places. So method is very easy. This will keep as it is 0.3. So just put the 0 to the right of this 3, right of this decimal place to equate them as a decimal of 2 decimal places. Just put here 0 because we are going to make the decimals with the 2 decimal places. Here 4.75 as it is because already 2 decimal places we have. Here 90.0, and to make the decimal of 2 decimal places we have to put here 0. So this extra 0 we have to put. But there is question, when we put the extra 0, will the value change? No. So they will be the equivalent decimals only, because if you write 0.3, this is nothing but what? 0.30. Again, if you can write 0.3 as 0.300. After decimal place, if you put how many zeros, then also the value will be 0.3 only. So this will be the value. So value will not change. They will be the equivalent decimals. So as we know, we can write 0.50. Like suppose you want to write 50 rupees. 50%, then you can write 0.50. Otherwise, if you write 0.5, the meaning is same. Both are same. When you convert the unlike decimals into the like decimals, the value will be same here. So let me take another example. 2.708, 9.4947, then 87.1, 2.3. So here we can see these are the unlike decimals because we have 3 places, 2 places, 1 place and 1 place. So which is the highest places here? 3 places decimals. So this will keep as it is, and this will convert into the, we have only 2 places, we have to convert to the 3 places. So 9.47, and here we have to put the 0. Next here 87.1, here we have to match 2 more places. So total 3 places we have after the decimal. Here 2.312, so total 3. So these are called as what? Like decimals. And the value of 9.47 is nothing but 9.470. So they are equivalent. Here these are also equivalent, and 2.3 is equivalent to 2.300. Now I'll take the number where we have the whole number. Next, let us take 4, 8.001, 4, then 500.27. So these are unlike because here 2 places after the point, decimal point. Here no places, no place after decimal. So here we don't have the decimal place, but we can write this as a decimal. and here also unequal decimal places, but which is the highest? Here we have the 4. So this 8.0040014 will be as it is. This we have to convert into the like with comparison with this. So 13.71 we have to equate like 4 decimal places. So put here 2 zeros. Next only we have the 4, but even we can put the decimal point here. 1 2 3 4. So the meaning is same only here. Next here 500.27 and 20. This is how you can convert the unlike decimals into the like decimals, and as I told you, these are very important to add or subtract the decimals.